computer. So let us start the recall of our chapter number 2, that is operating system. So first of all, let us see what is an operating system. Operating system is the main part of the computer or instructions that we give to a computer. So if we want that hardware and software works together, so for that we need an operating system, as it manages and controls all the working of the computer. Okay, so the most commonly used operating system is Windows and Windows 10 is most recently used operating system. Windows was developed by Microsoft and it has many versions like Windows 95, then Windows XP, Windows 7, and the most recent one is Windows 10. So now first of all, let us see features of Windows 10. So the first feature of Windows 10 is its start menu. Here it is the start menu. The start menu, with the help of start menu, we can have a quick access to all the applications and program. So अगर हमें कोई भी application को या फिर कोई भी program को access करना है, on करना है, if you want to turn it on, then we can do it with the help of the start menu. So here it is. Then second is Cortana search. This white structure that you can see, it is Cortana search. So with the help of this Cortana search, you can search anything, and it also works on voice commands, above voice commands. Okay, so that is Cortana. Voice commands means that if you say something, then जो search है वो जो हमने command दिया है उसे through our voice it will work on that. So this is start menu, this is Cortana. Okay, and this is our taskbar. So in this is the middle section, and here we have notification area. In middle section we can see various folders. Okay, and also in our taskbar we can see all the current running programs. अगर background में कोई भी हमारा running program चल रहा है, so that we can see in the middle section of the taskbar. Okay, so that is taskbar. So that is start menu, Cortana, and taskbar. Then multiple desktops. See kids, here this is task view icon. So with the help of task view icon, we can see any current or any program that is running in the background. अगर कोई भी program, कोई भी application अगर currently working है, so that we can see the taskbar. For example, if I open this document, see, so my new Microsoft Word document, okay, it is in the background, it is running right now, currently running. So here I will see the taskbar, हमें वो उसका दिखाएगा that in the background it is running right now, it is working right now. Okay. So by clicking on task view icon, this is task view icon. So when we click on task view icon, we can see all our currently running programs. Okay, so here only my Microsoft Office Word document is running, so for that reason I can see this only in my task view icon. Now if I want to create multiple desktop, फिर हमने ये भी देखा था कि multiple desktop को हम कैसे create करते हैं, right? But why to create multiple desktop? So we create multiple desktop for the reason that it helps us to manage our work. अगर हमारा different work है, okay, so that we can organize it. हम उसे manage कर सकते हैं by 2 desktop or more than that also. So if we want to create multiple desktop, then that we can do from the task view icon itself. So when we click on task view icon, here we have one option that is new desktop. Here on the left and top of our screen, that is new desktop. So when we click on new desktop, so with the help of it we can create new desktop. Okay. So that is task view icon, then creating new desktop. Now the another feature is Windows Store. So when we this Microsoft Store. So from this Microsoft Store, we can install or download any application or games which are free or paid, both. अगर free है, अगर paid है, any application that you want, so that we can do with the help of Microsoft Office. So from here we can download it. So this is the another feature of Windows 10. Okay. So here we will find free and paid apps and games. So that is in the Microsoft Store. Now, next is arrow features. Okay. Arrow features. फिर हमने देखा था arrow features of Windows 10. So Microsoft introduced arrow features to make our work more easier. इससे क्या होगा कि by giving arrow features to Windows 10, it helps us to manage and work efficiently and very easily. So the first arrow feature of Windows 10 is the arrow pick feature. Arrow pick, A-E-R-O, arrow and P-E-E-K, pick. Arrow pick feature. So arrow pick feature helps us to preview all the currently running applications or programs. अगर हमारा कोई भी एप्लीकेशन, कोई भी प्रोग्राम्स अगर बैकग्राउंड में अगर वो चल रही है, ओके, सो दैट वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प, सो इफ यू वांट टू सी इट्स प्रीव्यू, अगर हम उसे बिग स्क्रीन में देखेंगे तो बिग स्क्रीन में वो कैसे दिखेगी. सो इफ यू वांट टू सी दैट, सो दैट वी कैन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एरो पिक फीचर. सो फॉर एरो पिक फीचर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज keep your mouse pointer on the application. See here you can see that a small screen appears. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि एक small screen appear हो रही है. So when I will open my document, तो ये big screen में ऐसा ही दिखेगा. Okay. So this is arrow pick feature of Windows 10. So with the help of this, we can have small preview of our application or of any program that if we open them in big screen. So this is arrow pick feature. Now let's see arrow shake feature of Windows 10. So arrow shake feature. So एक अगर बैकग्राउंड में मेरे बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस मैंने ओपन की है, राइट, एंड नाउ मुझे सभी को मिनिमाइज करना है. That is on the screen. I want to keep only one program or that running application. तो मुझे हर एक को या तो क्रॉस करना होगा या तो मिनिमाइज करना होगा, right? So it can be time consuming. So what I can do is with the help of arrow shake feature. With the help of arrow shake feature, I can keep my currently the application or any program that I want to work on that alone on the screen. मैं एक ही प्रोग्राम पर जिसको वर्क करना चाहती हूँ वो मैं वहां पर उसे रखूंगी. ओके. सो अदर दूसरी एप्लीकेशन और प्रोग्राम क्या हो जाएगी, मिनिमाइज होकर वापस से टास्क बार में चली जाएगी. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू कीप माय mouse pointer on the title bar of the application of any program that I want to keep. सबसे पहले टाइटल बार पर मुझे अपना माउस पॉइंटर को प्लेस करना है. सी हियर यू कैन सी न्यू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ माय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावरपॉइंट. ओके. सो मुझे वो रखना है एंड आई वांट दैट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट जो है वो वापस से टास्क बार में चला जाए. ठीक है. आई जस्ट वांट टू कीप पावरपॉइंट हियर. सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज, first of all, I will place my mouse pointer on the title bar, then click left button of my mouse and then उसे press करके ही रखना है and I will shake this screen. See, so after I shake it, क्या होगा, that जो मेरा word document है वो minimize हो गया. Okay, so this is arrow shake feature. So by shaking the screen, that shaking the title bar of my program, I can minimize all the other running programs or the applications. So this is arrow shake feature of Windows 10. And last one is arrow snap feature. AeroSnap feature. So AeroSnap feature allows me to work on 2 or more programs at a time. एक साथ अगर मुझे 2-3 programs या फिर 4 programs पर अगर एक साथ work करना है, so that I can do with the help of AeroSnap feature. So for AeroSnap feature, okay. So what I have to do is again keep mouse pointer on the title bar, then long press left button of the mouse और उसे स्क्रीन जैसे ही हमें ऐसे ब्लैक कलर का बॉक्स दिखे, ओके, देन कीप इट टू वन ऑफ द कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्क्रीन. कोई भी एक कॉर्नर पर उसे प्लेस कर देना है, तो क्या होगा कि वो उसकी हाफ साइज में चला जाएगा. से फुल स्क्रीन में से हाफ स्क्रीन हो जाएगी. द सेम थिंग वी कैन डू इज विथ another program. So again see black box, okay, so add black box comes, place the program on corner of the screen. अब ये भी अपनी हाफ साइज में चला जाएगा. So now we can work on both of the programs simultaneously, that is we can work on both the programs together. एक साथ हम दोनों पर वर्क कर सकते हैं. So this is AeroSnap feature of Windows 10. Okay, now we will then another feature was, okay, then so that is how our features of Windows 10 is over. Now we will see starting Windows. Okay, so starting Windows. So whenever we start our computer, Windows 10 will remember all the applications and programs that we have in our computer, and it will automatically load them on our screen. Okay, so that is starting of a window. So when we start our computer, the first screen that appears on our monitor is known as desktop. So this is the desktop, and the graphical images or the pictures that I can see on the desktop, they are known as icons. से क्या कहते हैं? Icons. Now if I want to open any icon, then I have to place my mouse pointer on the program or on the icon that I want to open, and then double click the left button of the mouse. So when I double click it, so that program or application will open. Okay, so that is starting Windows. Now files and folders. So any information that I save or that I store in a computer, it is known as file. So file can be in the form of letters, it can be pictures, any sound, that is it can be a music also. Okay, so music, pictures, videos, any type of sound. So that all is a file. So that is a file for a computer. So अभी हम उसमें store करेंगे, it will store it as a file. For example, I have an image of the keyboard. Okay, so ये जो keyboard है, इसकी image है, that is a file. तो ये क्या है? File है. Okay, so that is it. So that is a file. File for a computer. Now each file that is stored in our computer has an unique name. It is उनका जो name होगा that is different from each other. हर file का different name होगा. So that is unique. That is each file has a unique name. Now folders. So folders is a group of files, we can say. कि बहुत सारे files को if I want to keep it at one place, so that I can keep in a folder. And if when there is a folder within a folder, एक folder के अंदर अगर दूसरा folder हो, so that is known as subfolder. And along with like files, folders also have unique name. हर एक के different name होंगे, एक unique ही name होगा. Now first of all, let us see how to create a folder. So if I want to create a folder on my desktop, then keep mouse pointer anywhere on the desktop, then click right button of your right button of the mouse, then go to new. Here we have new, and in new we have first, that is folder. So when I will click on folder, my new folder will appear on the desktop. Now here I can change, here it is new folder, okay, but now I want to change its name. So that I can do with the help of my keyboard. So if I want to give name computer to my folder, so that I can type from the keyboard and then we can change its name. So by this we can change the name of any folder. That is, I can keep name of this folder. Okay. Now if I want to open this folder, then I have to double click on it. So that is it. So यहाँ पर मेरा folder जो है that will be created. Okay. So I am bringing it down so that you can see. Okay. Now that is सब folder. ये folder के अंदर अगर दूसरा folder मैं create करती हूँ, so that is sub folder. Okay. Again same. First click right button of your mouse, then go to new, and from new again click on folder. So my another folder, that is sub folder, will be created. Okay, this is how we can create a folder. Now I want to change name, that is I want to rename my folder. I want to change its name. So that I can do with the help of my mouse. That is, again click right button of the mouse, and here we have rename. So bring your mouse pointer on rename and then click it. Now for example standard 4, I want to give name standard 4. So standard and then 4. Okay, so that is standard 4. So by this way I can change or rename my folder. Now for example I want to copy this, I want to make a copy, जैसे इसकी copy बनानी है, ठीक है? So that I can do by, again keep your mouse pointer on any file or a folder that you want to copy. If I want to see property of any file or a folder, properties help us to know what type of file it is, what type of folder it is, then what is the size, on which date was it created, on which last date was it modified, that we make changes, so that we can see the properties of any file or a folder. So if I want to see property of my file or of any file or a folder, then first of all, yes, for example I want to see property of my keyboard image. So place your mouse pointer, then click, that is the right button of the mouse, and then here last we have properties. So click on properties. So when I click on properties, it will show me all its details, that is properties, like the type of file, that is JPG file. All the pictures are stored in the form of JPG file. Okay, then location, that is वो कहाँ पर है, so that is in the last desktop as it is saved on the desktop. Then size, what is the size? Then created, on which date was it created, and even with time, that is date and time. Then modified, when changes were made in that file or folder, so along with date and time. When assessed, even last हमने कब उसे assess किया था, that also we can know, that is with date and time. Okay, and then just click on OK. So this is how we can see properties of any file or a folder. Then after managing files and folders, we did start button. That is this button. So our start button, it is present on the left bottom corner of our desktop. That is on the taskbar. So with the help of our start menu, we can access all the programs and applications. Okay. So if we want to open our start button, then click on start, and here menu will appear. Now see, we have two panels. That is, this is left panel and this is right panel. Left panel contains all the applications or the programs that were recently used, or the applications and folders that we want to access, or applications or programs. Okay, and here they are arranged alphabetically. Okay, so if I want to scroll it, मुझे यहाँ पर नीचे देखना है, what I have to do is, so that the help of my scroll wheel on my mouse. So with the help of this scroll wheel, I can scroll it and see what are applications or programs that I have. So that is the left panel. Now here we have power button. See. Okay. So power button. If we want to switch off the computer, then that we can do with the help of power button. Then here we have settings. That if we want to change any settings, contrast, brightness, so that we can do with the help of settings. Then here we have pictures, documents that are saved in our computer, and this is the name of the username, that is the desktop. Desktop में वो भी किस username से saved है. So that is it. Okay. So this is in the left panel of our start menu. On right panel, this is, so right panel contains all the light tiles. So we can customize all the light tiles. Okay, हम उसे resize कर सकते हैं. We can change their position and everything. So that we can do with the help of, see, that is your mouse button. First of all, for example, if I want to change place of my game, इस light tile की मुझे place change करनी है. From here I want to bring it here. So that first of all, for that, press the left key of the tile that you want to change the place. Then long press it and bring wherever you want it to, or you want to change its place. Okay, and then release it. So here it is. So from here it came here. So by this you can customize it. You can add on, if you want to add anything in this light tile, then also that also you can do. Okay, if we want to change its position, so that also we can do. So this is the left panel and this is the right panel of our start menu. And if we want to open any application, so we can just open it by clicking from the mouse. So this is it. So kids, in chapter number 2, this is what we have done till now. Okay, and by this revision video, I hope that आपके जो भी doubts होंगे that has been solved कि अब तक हमने क्या किया है in chapter number